Welcome to our tutorial on verifying your Cash App account. This step is crucial for secure transactions. First, open your Cash App. Ensure you are logged in to access the verification settings. Navigate to the profile icon in the top right corner. This is where you access your account settings. Select Personal from the menu. Here, you can input your personal information for verification. Enter your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Finally, tap Submit. Your verification process will begin. Just wait for the confirmation. Once submitted, you'll receive a notification when your account is verified. Keep an eye on your app. If you encounter any issues, revisit your profile and ensure all information is accurate. That's it. You are now ready to send and receive payments securely on Cash App. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tips and tutorials on using Cash App effectively. Remember, secure verification keeps your money safe. Until next time. For further queries, visit the Cash App support page for detailed guidance.